Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excited for today's video. It's all about Pat McGrath and her new Divine Blush Duos. I grabbed 3 of them, but I'm only going to focus on 2 today. I only have 2 cheeks, so it's better that way. But I'll be showing you all 3. I'll be doing some comparison swatches with the single shade Divine blushes as well. And topping it off with a couple of complimentary products that came in my package. So if you want to see how this face came together, what I'm wearing, and what this cute thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we jump into this Pat McGrath video, of course I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I am rocking our Cocoa Blush Boho Head Wrap, a shade I absolutely adore. It's such a pretty, it's you know, it's in the name, Cocoa Blush. It's like we've got a blush pink, but with brown undertones too. Just a very, very pretty color, perfect for summer, light. Okay, you know, we want the colors light in the summertime. So I really just love it. Long piece of stretchy fabric, fashion it into any style you want. Dress it up, dress it down, wear it to exercise, date night, run errands. However, whatever you're doing, slap one of these on and you'll just instantly look, you know, more stylish. And they're like, you know, cheap facelifts. I always look younger when I'm wearing one, so that's not a bad perk either. If you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description below. And nothing to do with the videos. Anybody else like this? If you like to cut your hair, you know, every time I cut my hair, my thinking is that I'm going to want it short for a really long time, and then it starts growing and you're like, wait a minute. Let me see how long I can grow it out this time without getting annoyed. So I'm already there, damn it. I think I'm just gonna let it grow. I'm not gonna keep it short probably, just because I just, you know, get bored. All right, so let's jump in. So I did get 3 of these Divine Blush Duos, but today I'm only going to focus on 2 of them because I only have 2 cheeks and it just doesn't make sense to try to combine everything. It just doesn't. One will feature in a video very, very soon. I don't know how yet, but we'll feature this one in a video very soon. This is Night Bloom. I did want to show all 3 to you. Very, very bold. Bold. The boldness is what drew me to this. The brightness is what drew me to this. So I'm excited to try this one in an upcoming video. Then we have Paradise Glow. Now this is the one that as soon as I saw it, intrigued me the most. The absolute most. It looked brown. I was like, okay, I thought it was gonna be like more like of a bronzer situation, but now looking at it, you can see like the rosiness. I'm so excited to try this on and to swatch it. They're just interesting colors. I'll pull out some of my other Divine blushes and see if there are any comparisons that I can share with you. We can do some comparison swatches. And then the third one is this shade here, Venusian Sunrise. It's the lilac color that drew me in. I was like, I don't have anything this shade. It's light, but I'm excited to swatch this. What I know about Pat McGrath Labs products in general is they are going to show up on me. I don't think I've had anything yet that hasn't. They are really pigmented, so even though this one is light, it should show on me. So I'm excited to try it again. I don't have anything that shade. It has been a while since I have bought some Pat McGrath Labs products. I think the blushes, the Divine blushes, probably were the last things I bought. There's still too many issues with customer service, and it gets very frustrating to buy from the brand. Although I do believe they do have the best deals for their products, it still is a very frustrating process. And so I'd rather just stay away until something really grabs me. I don't care how many things I think are pretty. These products happen to grab me, and thankfully, it got to me. There was a slight delay, but they did get to me intact. So that's what's on tap for today. I also have 2 freebies that came with my order that I'm gonna try out too, some lip products as well. I'm also wearing some other Pat McGrath products, including my eyes. I can't remember the name of the palette right now, but everything I'm wearing will be in the description below. There'll be some affiliate links most times, just a heads up. If you want to support me, support my channel, and you're going to buy something anyway and you want to use one of my links, I absolutely appreciate you. But I forgot how much I love playing with Pat McGrath eyeshadows. It's been a while, but they're always fun, and I always feel much more creative when I'm using them. They're colors that are not typical for me. They're not everyday colors, but I always enjoy pulling a look together, and it's really fun to take these bold colors and make them wearable for me. So Pat McGrath always inspires me to be creative with my eyeshadow. So this is a very pretty look, I think, that will complement this video. So I'm going to start with Venusian Sunrise because I'm most intrigued by the other one. I'm gonna save it for last, okay? And what's so funny is, like, I just watched and I'm like, oh, I don't want to mess up the design. I hate when you have to mess up the design, but I'm not, starting a makeup museum here, so I need to use the products I have and get over that. But it's so funny. When I got it, I was like, oh, look how pretty this is. I was showing my husband. I was like, oh, look how pretty that. He was like, that's not pretty. And I was like, makeup gets away with stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I can see how Pat McGrath stuff runs gaudy. The packaging, some of the stuff is, runs gaudy. But I think I think this is pretty. I think that the duo colors are very, very pretty. Anyway, here are the swatches, okay? This is the two. I did say they would show up on me. So we have that like lilac color. Here it is here. And then we have that pinky coral color, I would say it looks like to me. Okay, here they are together. Okay, so let's try this lilac one out first to see how it shows up. It shows up immediately. I'm never going to use these separately. I think it's just more fun to use them together. I mean, I have singles, so that's the point to me of these. But for the video's purpose, for the first part right here, we'll try to isolate the two colors. Okay, it's very light on me, but it's absolutely showing up. And now I'm gonna try the pink one just a little up here so we can see a difference. Yeah, you should be able to see that difference. The pink one is showing a bit more on me by itself, so that's something you wanna note. Okay, so the lilac is here. I did wipe off the brush, don't worry, there's no blending quite yet. I'll put a little bit more lilac here by itself. Okay, so the lilac, pretty light on me, but pretty. And then the brighter one is up here. Now, to mix them together, because who has this kind of time? That's the point, eh? Very pretty. A lot of blush. I'm gonna probably pull it back. Pat McGrath, oof, like I said, potent, eh? It's not a bad thing at all, because a little bit will go a long way, and these should last you a nice while. So, I mean, and in terms of consistency, when you're buying products, you wanna know that, you can count on certain brands. I don't even know if this is going to look subtle on camera. The lights exacerbate everything, so you should always know that when you're watching video. The lights amplify colors. When I do my swatches on my Instagram, they're done in sunlight and some in just natural light out the sun, so you can get, a different perspective of how the colors will show up. Okay, so now let's try the one I'm most excited about, Paradise Glow. Now, I don't have any single blushes from Pat that match the first one, so there's no comparisons necessary there, but I do have the two that match Paradise Glow, and I will do that in just a second. But for now, here are the Paradise Glow swatches. All of these are making me think, look, it's making a very pretty eyeshadow palette, isn't it? But very, very rich, beautiful, beautiful colors. This is one that will certainly move seamlessly into fall when you want more, those richer colors. Beautiful shades. Excited about this one. Same thing. I'm using a brush that's a little bit bigger, a little more color. We'll put a little, this is the lighter one, okay? We'll put a little here. Beautiful straight away. Beautiful, beautiful straight away. And I'm just tapping into. It's always amazing, how brushes really dictate application. So very pretty shade. Let's try, wipe that off. Let's try the darker shade. And up top, and then we'll blend it all together. Yeah, this is giving, oh, this is beautiful. They found a really nice balance of colors, but I know that for marketing purposes, so often, you know, certain shades are shown on certain skin tones, and that's not necessarily indicative of how it will work on us, right? So oftentimes things won't be shown on brown skin, and I'm just like, I like that shade. I want that shade. I'm going to get that shade. And it works perfectly fine on me. Obviously, more colors, some colors are more suited to certain skin tones, and I get it, but it doesn't mean that it won't work on brown skin tones or darker skin tones, or the reverse on lighter skin tones. So this is a beautiful one. I'm about to mix both colors together, okay? This brush is making sure I don't do too much, so I appreciate that. Are you someone who likes to wear like a lot of blush, like the blush is the statement? Or is it just to complement the other makeup products? I think I'm more in the, I'm gonna pull it back, I wiped it off. I'm more in the complement group. I'm definitely more in the complement group. Now on camera though, I always try to show you what can be. So I always push it a bit more to show you how it builds up. But in my off-camera life, I like it to complement. Didn't I say no more blushes? Why'd they come out with these? Why'd they come out with these? Very, very pretty. Okay, so, so this is, right, Paradise Glow. And then the one that I have that is the closest to it, the two that I have actually. So we have Paradise Venus and Paradise Glow. Again, these swatches will be on my Instagram. I will have the comparison swatches there in a couple of days for you to see. Here they are together. So this is the one from the duo, and then this is the single, okay? So Paradise Glow and Paradise Venus. Let me make sure I have that right. Yes, Glow is the name of the duo, Venus. Now, I had to look at this off camera. There's absolutely a slight difference, but it's close enough that if you have the single, you may not want to get for that shade. Okay, but for the lighter shade, this is the one from Paradise Glow. This is Desert Orchid, okay? Now the Desert Orchid is a more clear, it's more clear that those are different shades, okay? So this one is giving more peachy, the single one. I also got a sample of their new essence. I haven't tried it. I will try it, but what are we thinking about Pat McGrath skincare? I'm good on my skincare, so I'll try it, but I'm typically okay with my makeup products and my skincare being separately, unless it's a clean beauty brand where I will try things out. But let me know if you tried this essence. Do you love it? Let me know what you're thinking. Okay, so this is the sample of the Beautiful Stranger Matte Trance Lipstick. This packaging is beyond cheap looking, but okay, we'll roll with it. It was free. And let me try this one on. I don't know if I'm going to need, I will. It's right for me. A lip liner. Man, it's been a minute since I had a new Pat McGrath and lipstick. And by minute, I mean like a couple of years. Again, it just became more upsetting to buy the products. So as you can see, super pigmented, as all Pat McGrath products are. Pigmented, super soft. It's going right in. I'm gonna use this Pat McGrath liner in Brown Nouveau because this needs help on me. Okay, so this color is much more palatable on me with a liner. Here's the swatch if you're interested in this shade, super saturated. Pat McGrath lipsticks, listen. They're awesome. Okay, I just haven't gotten one in a while, but they're absolutely awesome. And now I'm gonna try on something else that came in my package, which is, I guess, a lip gloss in this cheesy heart shape. The problem is the sticker is so small, I cannot tell you the name of it, but I will find it out and put it in the description in case you're interested. Let's swatch this bad boy. We'll put this on top. Here is the gloss, very pretty color, rosy color. And let's, okay, got it out, guys, got it out. Let's get it on the lips. Okay, so it glossed us up a bit. I couldn't gauge that really until I wore it on its own. But it looks good on top of this. Gave it a little gloss, and this combination's making my lips look bigger, and I'm not mad at that. I'm not upset about it. So lips looking good, and the cheeks are looking good, and we're done. Okay guys, so this is the face. You have to let me know what you think about these blushes. What did you grab? Are you loving them? Do you already have singles that you think are the same shades as some of the ones that were just released, so you didn't get any? Let me know what you're thinking about these duos, and are you wearing them together? Are you wearing them separately? Let me know what you're thinking. And in terms of Pat McGrath in general, are you still buying as much as you once were? What are you finding with customer service? Let me know about your Pat McGrath Labs experience. This was fun. I loved everything. I'm going to keep wearing them. I love her blushes. I just do. And I think these are some fun additions. Their marketing is good. They know what they're doing. They always make you want the products as soon as you see them. Even if you do have things that are similar, you're always like, ooh, that's beautiful, that's cool. And I think she's about to release what looks like another eyeshadow, maybe another mothership. So we'll see very soon what they have coming out. But I've trained myself over the years to just appreciate most of it from afar. But I'm glad I grabbed these. I think they're very, very pretty. I'm excited to try the third one very soon. Let me know again what you're thinking. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it when you do. And of course, if you want to check out any of our boho head wraps, any of our t-shirt, hair towel wraps, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, and all our other hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.